today, the memories emerging in everyone's heart. From Amrit Vela, Bap Dada was being garlanded with a variety of garlands of love and remembrance by children everywhere. Together with that, Baba was also listening to the songs of love and remembrance from their hearts. In return, both Bap and Dada are garlanding the children with garlands of different powers and different blessings. When the children came onto the corporeal stage, through the blessing of being embodiment of power, this day of remembrance is the special day of Sun Show's father. This is because it is the day of making the children instruments for service on the corporeal stage. Of sitting the children on the throne and giving them the crown of responsibility. It is the coronation day and the day of receiving the tilak, of becoming instruments for doing service in the corporeal form. All the children have become instruments who cooperate with the Father and will continue to do so. Will continue to do so. Bap Dada is also pleased to see the children move forward in doing service with zeal and enthusiasm. Zeal and enthusiasm. Each child is moving forward number-wise with courage, zeal, and enthusiasm. The majority of children continue to remain engaged in having remembrance and doing service. Just as children everywhere, especially today, remain lost in love for Father Brahma, so too, Father Brahma also remains lost in love for the children.
माता पिता सद्गुरु सखा तुम्हें तो एक हमारे हो शिक्षक तुम्ही रक्षक तुम्ही दिल के तुम्ही सहारे हो मिला सारे रिश्तों का प्यार तुमसे
Om Shanti.
ओम शांति व्यक्ति परिवार में
Shanti.
आपका
Welcome to
स्वागत
Avyakti
है
Parivar.
आज
Today is the fifth
विश्व
day.
रत्न बनने
Have a
के
loving
लिए
intellect
तो
in order to
विश्व
become a
रत्न
victorious jewel.
आज का टॉपिक है एक
Today's topic
कैसी
is
स्थिति में
stable and constant
अव्यक्त
stage.
इशारे
The Avyak signal,
प्रेत बुद्धि वालों
the
को
words
सुनिए
that emerge from the
उनके
lips
दिल से
and
सदैव
hearts of
वो
those
कहेंगे
who have a loving
तुम ही
intellect
से
are:
खाऊं तुम ही
I
से
eat
फूलूं
with you,
तुम ही
I
से
sit with
बोलूं तुम
you,
ही से
I talk
सुनूं
to you,
तुम
I
ही
listen
से
to you.
सर्व
I
संबंध
fulfill all
निभाऊं
my
तुम ही
relationships
से
with
सर्व
you,
प्राप्ति
and I
करूं
receive all
उनके
attainments
पैर उनका
from you.
मुखड़ा न बोलते
Their eyes
हैं
and lips
बोलते
speak
हैं
without
तो
speaking.
चेक करो
So check, have I
कैसे
become one with a
विनाश
loving
से
intellect
एक
at the
वित्तीय
time of
परिवार
destruction in this way?
अर्थात एक
That
ही
is, do I
परिवार
have a stable
के
and
प्रेत
constant
बुद्धि
stage
वाले बने हैं
in the love of one?
मोहिनी दीदी
Now we listen from Moini Didi.
Om Shanti.
Shanti.
व्यक्ति परिवार में और टोरंटो के बाबा के घर में
I'm in Baba's
बाबा के
home in
बच्चे हैं
Toronto, and all the children of
सब बाबा
Baba,
के प्यारे बच्चे हैं
they're all lovely children of Baba, lovely brothers and sisters.
सबसे पहले तो मैं
First and foremost,
दिल से धन्यवाद तो करता
I
हूँ
would like to give thank you and my gratitude from my heart first
मेरा ये सोच
is,
के चलता है
but I also have this thought and I keep thinking
जब से
about
बाबा
it.
का गायन निकलता है
And I praise Baba
कि
from my
बाबा
heart
कैसे
that
अपने होने
how
वाले
Baba
बच्चों को कहाँ तक ले जाते हैं
Baba takes his innocent
जब
children to. How far does Baba take this innocent children?
निर्भर भाई ने मुझे फोन पे कहा
When Nirver Bai called and
मुझे
told
बड़ा
me
विचार है कि आप
that
बाबा के इस परिवार के पालना के निमित्त बनो
that you become instrument for sustenance of taking sustenance of
कई
this
बार
family, and I had said
गरीब
no, and there were
परिवार से
many
मुझे फोन
other
आता है भारत से बाहर हैं
and I
विदेशों
had
में हैं
said no because of many reasons, because I was away from Bharat for more than
भारत से
50 years. So
मालूम नहीं है यूज्ड
I
नहीं
don't
है
know many things
जानकारी
about
नहीं है
Bharat.
कई
I'm
पढ़े
not, I
लिखे
don't
नहीं
have,
हैं
I need to learn a lot. I
पर
need to
आप
find
मना
out a
नहीं कर
lot.
सकते हैं क्योंकि
So Nirvairbhai said, you can't say
बहुत
no.
अच्छी अच्छी बातें बताई पर मेरे
He
मन
said
में
a lot of good
कि
things,
हमारे
but the one
भाई
thing that
निर्भय
came
भाई
in my mind
बचपन
was
में
our brothers
इस
Nirvairbhai and
दादियों का
Richmond Bhai.
ध्यान रखते रहे
They used to take care and pay
कैसे
attention to
कैसे
all our
मुसीबत
dadis,
झेलाते रहे
and they used to
परंतु उन्होंने कुछ
take
ऐसी
care of the
बातें कही
yajna. And he said a few things,
तो
and
मैंने कहा अगर ठीक है कहा एक भी यज्ञ में ऐसा नहीं था जिसने विरोध किया हो
there was not even
सभी
one single
सहमत हैं
person in the
सहमति
yajna
से कोई भी अभी
who
तक
was opposing, and
चुनाव
they are.
नहीं हुआ तो मैंने कहा
We haven't done any
खुशी
election
की
or
बात है
anything, but
और
everyone
किसी ने
was
विरोध किया है पर दिल
accepting, and I was surprised, and but also for more than 60, 70 years. So the love that I've received from the yajna, the sustenance that I've received from dadis, and whatever Baba God has done, making us instruments, whether we became instruments or members of the UN, or whatever Baba God had done, through which Babas, or the organization, or the universities, the institutions name got became famous on the stage of the world. But on a personal level, whatever Baba God has done, so to more and more extent, everyone's attention to go towards Baba. From the very beginning, I didn't like if somebody took my name. Whoever come into connection with me, they should only take Baba's name. This is my feeling from the very beginning. So I've accepted. So what you have done, if you all have your trust in me, and I should be instrument, I accept it, and I will do. I can't run around like how I used to do before. They said, okay. And all of a sudden, you'll say, the president is calling, come, get on a plane and come. Okay, we'll do it. Then I have the company of Sister Jayanti, with whomever I have worked with. It is with love and unity, with respect, with regard. So, and similarly, both of us have a similar relationship, and everybody is surprised. So, even when we discuss what has to be done in this particular condition or situation, what can be our solution? So, to work together in such a unity is surprising. So they all have this thought, how do they talk among themselves and get all the tasks done? So the intention of sharing all of this is that even till now, from our heart, lots and lots of gratitude for Baba, but along with that, even the family, the love that we receive from the family, even for that, I want to congratulate all of you, and I thank you for, especially I'm happy that that the younger generation, until and unless the younger generation come forward, when I see the Kumaris and the Kumars at a very young age, the couples who are young. So those who are elderly for so many years, 30, 35 years, they have done seva. So now, to the extent there is transformation in the youth and they're able to take care of the yajna, that is the success of the yajna. Therefore, so I'm happy that in this family, there are many youth. So I was tying Rakhi or in anywhere. There are a lot of young adults, youth. So it is very good for the yajna. So the elders, the seniors keep giving guidance, they take care of them, and the younger generation are able to take responsibility and move along. Like how I keep saying, even in New York, I have 5 generations. So if this one is not, then the other one and the other one, and everybody is cooperative. It is like the 8 arms of a Devi or a goddess. So all the 8 arms are of the deity, the goddess. So I always have the aim, Baba's children should stay together in such a way that they are the 8 arms of the Devi goddess or the 4 arms of Vishnu. So what happens is the yajna stays strong. to even to even for a short or a small extent, I and mine creeps in, then the foundation is a little weak. The strength is weakened. We are 13. There are 13 main centers, and all of them are Baba's home. And Baba is the owner. Whether it is Baba's UN office, whether it's Manhattan Center. So now they have a very beautiful place to stay in Manhattan, in New Jersey, wherever Baba's homes are. Sorry. So we have a team of 12 brothers and sisters in the entire USA. They're like the core team. So whatever has to be done, how can we enhance service? So every Monday, they on Zoom they meet for 2 hours every Monday, and they have whether it's about administration, whether it is about spiritual sustenance, or whether it is national service program. So in that way, there are many groups that has been created, and the aim is we have about 32 centers, I think, or 36 centers. Some are big, some are small.
करने को मिले, हर एक को ऐसा लगे कि हमारी सेवा है, यज्ञ की सेवा है। तो ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर तैयार किया है।
So we have created a structure that in the entire world, even Dr. Nirmala went and she left. So how do we create a group? How do we create a team? So we shared. So try our model and see. So I always have this in my heart that when I came into this Western world, Manmohini Didi used to tell me that you should be an example of love and unity, and we need to see that in the entire world. Dadi Janki came to London, and Dadi used to look at me as if I'm the elder one, because we used to do a lot of VIP service, a lot of lectures at a very young age. Papa got many of it done. So when I used to give a lot of respect to them. Didi would say, like all the 5 continents should be in such a way, like the 5 fingers in our palm. So this was a sign of acknowledgement. The balloon, which that burst at the background. So my relationship has been like that when Sister Vedanti went into Africa, whichever continent they went. So 5 of us, you might have seen. So we were 6 RCs, now we are 5. We all are different, our opinions are different, but we never have misunderstanding or difference of opinion. So it's good to have different opinion, but we don't have differences. Each one is a resource. Some are able to understand the resource and some are not able to. And in my life, I've never tried to control anyone. I've always tried to make everyone cooperative. I still don't feel that I'm big, I'm senior. I need to remind myself, you have to play this part, you need to play this part. Because I always feel that everybody is Baba's child, and you have to be a child and a master. And when it is necessary, be the master. And when it's not, become a child, enjoy the confluence age. It is not necessary to become master or a big person. Dadi Prakashmani used to share. To become big means senior, bada. You all are going to get the vada, which is like a yogurt savory. So it's made out of lentils. It is soaked. It is grinded. Then it is fried, and the hot vada is put into a water and squeezed out. So if you want to become bada, so it rhymes in Hindi, bada and vada. So it's not just to become a senior, means big, but there are different aspects to it. So
उत्तर
that
होता है
means to the extent that you give
रहती है वो
respect, you
प्रकृति
receive.
बोलती है कि
We have
रिसेप्शन को
training.
जवाब कैसे देना है
So how to give
भाई
especially for the receptionist, how do you give
किस
a
आवाज
response
से
back?
जवाब दिया
So many times I listen at
लोगों को
what
फोन पर
tone
भी आपको पता लग जाता है कि
did they respond?
आप
Because by the
कितना
tone as well
रिस्पेक्ट
on a phone, you can know whether they
किस
are
जगह
patient or
आपके
impatient.
पास
A couple
इसमें
of
ऐसा
places that I had
होता है
been.
ना तो मेरे तो अंदर में पता नहीं इतनी शांति आई
So when so and so
जब मेरी
person
फोन पर भी
picked up the
आवाज
phone and they said, I
किसी
felt
आत्मा को
such a
शांत
peace
कर
from
सकती
them.
है
So I
तो
thought, yes, even
बेटा
from a
जब तुझे
phone, we can
दीक्षा
do so
दीक्षा
much of
दूंगा
donation of peace.
तो जब
When I know
बोलूंगा
that some of them
उसको जान
of
बोलती हूँ
have a strong voice,
मैं
I
खूब
call them
रिस्पेक्ट से बोलती हूँ
and I talk to
बहुत
them with
प्यारा
so
करती है
much respect, with so much of
अच्छा
patience.
3-4 फोन के बाद जब भी
So
मैं
after a
फोन
couple
करूँ
of
उसकी आवाज ही
phones,
बदलेगी
when I call that
वो
person, her
वो
voice has changed, her
ये होता
tone
है ना
has changed.
एक है
The
ट्रेनिंग वो तो दी
the
जाती है
cooperation of virtues.
लेकिन जो
This
स्वभाव है
one is to give a
मनुष्य का
training, but the
वो
nature of
बहुत
a
बड़ा
human,
साथी भी है तो बहुत बड़ा विघ्न भी है
it can be our companion, but it also can be an
स्वभाव
obstacle.
विश्व की भावनाएं
Nature means the nature of the
किसी की
self,
नेचर होती है बोलेंगे तो भी
the way you
और
speak.
कभी भी मैं तो मुख को भाई भगवान के महावाक्य मुझे जिस मुख से बोलने हैं मैं
So
कुछ नहीं बोल सकती
the mouth or the
क्योंकि इतना ही
mouthpiece through which
विश्वास
I
रखना
need to
सबको
speak God
आज एक
versions.
बात
I
आपके
cannot
कान
speak
में
something
चली
else. So
किसी
today,
का भी
four
बहुत
people say
एक ही
something.
बात सुन के विश्वास होता है किसी
If
का
you listen to one and you
उसका
agree, and
कारण
if you
होता है
listen to the other and you don't agree,
क्योंकि
what is the reason for that?
धारणा है
As
तो मैं
is
कभी
the
कभी
dharnas in your life.
सुनती हूँ कि
So
ये
I
शांत
listen.
है ये
This person
रागद्वेषी
is
है
speaking this way. He's
किसी को
rough.
भी सुन लो उसको
Many
भी सुन लो
time,
ये
anytime I see
भगवान के
they're
महावाक्य जब
criticizing.
बोलेंगे तो कौन
So
विश्वास
when
करेगा
so after that, when you speak
शंख
godly
ध्वनि बजा
versions
हुआ
through your mouth, who's going to listen to you? Who's going to
परमेश्वर
believe in
से
you?
खाली ध्वनि आने लगती है
If your mouth organ should only
बीबी
be
अपने
giving
मुख
like a
से
conch shell of knowledge.
उस शब्द
Otherwise, it's like two
उस
empty
शब्द को
vessels making
जो
noise.
करेगा
We should always have the
उसने
aim
अपना
for
रिकॉर्ड
our
रखा है
mouth, for our words that we speak. We should
तो इस
keep a
रिकॉर्ड
record.
पर ही आज हम यहाँ पर पहुँचे ना
And it's because of this record that we have reached
हम
wherever we are
शांतिवन
today.
है ज्ञान
We
सरोवर
are
है
Shantivan, we have Gyan
2 दिन पहले
Sarovar.
जाते थे डबल
2 months
विदेशी
back, when double foreigners used to
मेरी
go to,
कई ड्यूटीज होती थी
I used to have a lot
उसमें
of
ये
couple
होता
of
था कि
duties. The
जिस भी
first,
डिपार्टमेंट को कुछ सैल्वेशन चाहिए
so
तो वो मेरे
whatever
पास आते थे
salvation the
तो
departments need,
एक
they
बार
would
एक
come to
बहन
me.
को बिना नमक के खाना चाहिए था
So one
तो वो
sister
गई
wanted food without
तो
salt.
उन्होंने
So
कहा
she went into the kitchen and they said,
तो वो
no, we
दादी
can't give
जानकी के
you.
पास गई
So she went to Dadi
मैंने
Janki.
कहा मोहिनी को बोलो वो
Dadi
करेगी
Janki
मोहिनी
said, go
करेगी
to Moini
क्या
Didi
मैं
and
कैसे
she'll do.
बताऊंगी
So then I
कैसे
called and
करूंगी
I said, it's
थोड़ी
food
तकलीफ
only,
होगी
na?
पहले मैं कहा
I know it would
एक
be a
बार
little
दादी को
difficult, or
हाँ
maybe you take it off
मैंने
before
कहा
so,
मना क्यों करती हो
but
बोले
don't
वो शक बहुत करती है जब भी आती है
don't deny.
ऐसा है
So
ये
why do
है
you
ऐसा है
deny? So the brother started to say he would always
तो देखो हर एक
criticize. This is like this. This is
ऐसा
like this.
रिकॉर्ड
This is like
मैंने
that.
किसी भी डिपार्टमेंट
So
में
Didi is
आप
telling,
जाइए
I have a
बहुत
record that
सम्मानित
in
मिलेंगे
whichever
कि
department you go,
बहुत
they give
असमर्थ
so
लोग
much of
मिलेंगे ये नहीं है कि
regard.
भाई
It is very to say, I can't do this, I can't do
लोग
that.
बोल रहे हैं
But
दीदी
what do
लेकिन
you
प्रपोजल
need?
लाओ ना ये
So
नहीं होता
Didi says, people keep a lot of
नहीं होता तो मैं नहीं
ideas,
करती
and so we say, bring us a proposal. What can we
प्रपोजल
do and
लेके आओ
what we can't do?
हम
Bring a
देखेंगे
proposal and let's
और
see, look into
कोशिश
it.
करेंगे कि हम
And
कर
we will
सकें
try what can be
एक ही
done.
परिवार है हमारा
It is it is
अगर एक
only one
व्यक्ति के बारे में
family.
आप कुछ बोलते हैं
If
दूसरा
you talk
परिवार
about
वाला
one
आपको ये
person
कहता
in
है
the family,
कि हम बीके
he's our
जैसे हैं
family. So do you want to say
इसलिए
we BKs are like
बीके
this?
अफेयर
Because he also
तो
is a
बीके
BK
सबके
brother.
बारे में
So for towards
आपने हमेशा
anyone,
अपने
to
परिवार
think
के बारे
about
में हमेशा बात
anyone,
रखी
it is like insulting our own family. We
इसलिए
forget that.
मैं यही
Therefore,
कहूँगी कि
I would only
रिकॉर्ड
say,
अच्छा रखो
keep your record
वो
very
आप
well.
ही हाँ मैं तो हमेशा ही कहती हूँ कि
I
बाबा को
always
ही
say,
मालूम है ना और किसी को नहीं
Baba knows. Even if others don't know, Baba
इसलिए
knows,
आप
isn't
बुरे
it?
रहो पर विवेकशील रहो
It's okay if you are
विवेक से
innocent,
सोचो
but
वो तो
be
इस रंग से
wise.
काम नहीं करती है विवेक
Mm. It's don't just use your
एक
intellect, use your
बैलेंस होना
wisdom.
चाहिए
You should have
wisdom
such
और
a
innocence
balance.
का,
It's a balance between innocence and wisdom.
तो इसलिए यज्ञ
Therefore,
हमारा है।
the yajna
इतने
is
वर्ष
ours.
हो गए, अभी अंतिम
It's
समय
so
है,
many years of the yajna has
कोई
passed, and
अगर
we are
सलाह देता
almost
है,
at the end of the yajna.
छोटी
And
उम्र
Baba
वाले
has
बाबा
given all
सबके,
of us responsibility, whether young
मैं
or
तो यही
old.
कहूँगी सभी
So
को
I will just say this to everyone
जो
that
मैं तो बाबा को थैंक्स देती हूँ
I
कि
do
एक
say
ऐसी
thanks to
दीक्षा,
Baba,
एक बाबा का बच्चा
but from my heart, I really have this
आज जुड़
desire
जाएंगे।
that all of Baba's children, when we start
अगर
becoming
दो हैं तो
equal, we will start to reveal Baba. If we are two or
जिसको
three in
भी
different
योगदान
ways, we cannot
हाथ देना है,
reveal Baba. If
पहले
whoever wants to give the hand of
समझदारी
cooperation, of hoisting the
से
flag,
लक्षण
there has to
है,
be
बहुत जरूरी
equality
है।
and there has to be closeness. Very,
तो
very
बाबा
important.
कहते हैं एक
So
रस
Baba is
स्थिति,
saying a stable and constant stage.
और वो चढ़ती कला है।
And that
अगर
is the
स्थिति
stage of
बनी नहीं है
ascending.
तो चढ़ती
If
कला
you
है।
are not in a constant stage, you can't be in an
और
ascending
चल रहे
stage.
हैं फिर उतर रहे हैं, फिर चल
It
रहे हैं,
is
फिर
you're
आगे जाके
ascending
रुक
and
रहे
you're
हैं।
descending. You're going forward, you're becoming backward. You're going back and forth.
तो एक रस स्थिति के लिए पहले दो
So, for
शब्द
to
हैं,
have a stable and a
वो
constant stage, there are
अचल,
two other words:
अटोल, एक रस।
stable,
अचल का
immovable,
मतलब
unshakable.
इमोशनली कई लोग मचल जाते
Unshakable
हैं, जब
means,
बाबा के बीच
like
आकर
one of people who are emotional, no,
बात भी नहीं
they
करते,
ascend. But tomorrow, if something happens, their mood fluctuates and they don't even talk. So they are
अटोल का
not
मतलब
stable.
परिस्थिति तो आएंगी,
Adol means
लेकिन कुछ भी
to be
स्थिति
stable
हो,
again.
बस
Situations will come,
स्थिर
challenges
बाबा
will
का
come.
याद में
So then just become
vibratory
stable in Baba's remembrance and give vibrations and whatever has to be done, do it.
तो मैंने बहुत स्टडी किया कि
So
एक
I
रस
have
स्थिति
studied
बाबा
a
क्या
lot.
कहते हैं।
So what has Baba told
तो
us for a
बाबा ने
constant
बहुत अच्छा
stage?
एक मुरली में कहा,
In one of the Murli,
जितना
Baba shared very
आप
well,
स्मृति स्वरूप बनेंगे,
to the
उतना
extent that you
अपना
become an embodiment of awareness, to that
इसकी
extent,
सारी
you
मुरली
will
सत्संग
become,
की
you'll have a constant stage. So the
स्मृति से
entire Murli of this morning was to be an
कि ये याद
embodiment
आ गया,
of
इसने ये कहा,
remembrance.
ये याद आ
It's
गया,
not that you heard this
ये
person said
स्मृति
this one said
शक्ति,
that. This is not that
वो बातें
these are
भूलनी
not of the
चाहिए।
things that you need to bring in your awareness. That should be
ऐसी ऐसी
forgotten.
चीज बाबा
Some
की कृपा
nice
है,
Baba's
अपनी
elevated
स्मृति
version,
श्रेष्ठ जो अच्छे अनुभव
some
और दूसरों
nice
के साथ जो
experiences,
संबंध व्यवहार
and with
श्रेष्ठ हो,
also with others to
ऐसी
have an
सिमरती बातों से
elevated relationship
अपनी
with
स्थिति
others.
ठीक रहे। हम तो आने ही नहीं देते, बात आती है ना तो बदल दो उसको किसी तरह से,
Even if something comes, if any situation comes, just change it.
ठीक है। तो प्रीत
Is it
बुद्धि
okay?
वालों के मुख से
So the words that emerge from the lips
हम
and
ये तो
hearts,
ऑर्डिनरी बात समझते हैं, पर
we
मुख से
understand
निकलने
ordinary
के बाद
thing, but
गूंजती है,
the words that are spoken
रिकॉर्डिंग
through
होती
these
है।
lips echo and it gets
चाहे आप
recorded.
भूल जाएंगे,
Even if
लेकिन
you
याद नहीं
forget,
छोड़ेंगे।
but to the person that you said, he will never
तो क्या
forget.
करना है,
So
प्रीत
what do we have to
बुद्धि,
do?
हाँ सभी प्रीत बुद्धि है
So
ना,
all of you have a
प्रीत
loving
बुद्धि
intellect.
वालों के मुख
Of
से
those who have a loving
लिप्स
intellect, say, so these are the
सदा
words that
सुखी
emerge from
रखिए,
their lips and
मैं तुम्ही
hearts,
से खाऊं,
that I eat
तुम्ही
with
से
you,
बैठूं,
I sit
तुम्ही
with
से
you,
बोलूं,
I talk to you,
तुम्ही से
I
सुनूं।
listen to you,
बाबा
I
कहते हैं
fulfill
तुमसे ही
all my
सारे
relationships
संबंध
with
उन्नत
you,
हों,
and I
तुम्ही
receive
से सब
all
प्राप्त हो।
attainments from you.
उनके नैन, उनका मुख
Their
आगे
eyes and lips
न
speak
बोलते हुए भी बोलता है।
without speaking.
हमारी दादी गुलजार होती थी,
Our
बहुत कम
Dadi
बोलती थी,
Gulzar, she
3 घंटे
hardly
मीटिंग के
spoke.
बाद दादी
In a
बोलती
meeting
थी
of
तो
3 hours,
समझता चलता
they
था
would
क्या चल
request her,
रहा है।
Dadi,
दादी
say
यही तो
something.
अपनी
Dadi
लाइन
would
है।
say, no, everything is going well. They would say, Dadi, give us a little bit of guidance,
तो बोलती नहीं
opinion.
थी तो भी
She would never
कभी-कभी जो था
speak.
ना,
So even whatever
दादी
she
बोलने
said,
लगती
even
थी
if it was
तो
2
बहुत
words,
अच्छा लगता था।
we all used
उनका
to
मुख
like it so much.
न बोलते हुए भी बोलता है,
So their eyes
तो
and
चेक
lips
करो
speak without speaking. So check.
कि ऐसे
Have I become one with a loving intellect at the time of destruction in this way? That is, do I have a stable and constant stage in the love of one? Have we become that? Whatever is left behind, we need to complete and become that, to become a constant and stable stage. Om Shanti.
A victorious emerge. The world intellect are from you. Their eyes and lips speak without speaking. So check, have I become one with a loving intellect at the time of destruction in this way? That is, do I have a stable and constant stage in the love of one? Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Welcome to Avikti Parivar. Today's day 4. Have a loving intellect in order to become a victorious jewel. Today's topic, stable and constant stage. So now we will listen to Mohini Didi. As earlier, you must have seen that there was a little program was hosted by Toronto family for Mohini Didi's birthday. Mohini Didi's birthday is coming up in August, on 15th of August, but because we are here, they had planned a little program, the beautiful skit. I'm sure everyone enjoyed it. And after Didi's series sharing, we have a little bit more, so please stay back with us. We will also cut the cake. Om Shanti. Now let's listen to Mohini Didi.